Hi guys, what you see here is not a movie, it's not Photoshop, it's a place, right? An actual place where people in Korlieteh, in Upper Manya Krobo, right? That's where they get their water from. They use this water to cook, they drink this water, their children use this water to do everything, right? Everybody in the village use this water. And this is how bad the situation is, right? This is how bad it is. It is not acceptable, right? It is unacceptable that people in the 21st century to be using water like this. For me, I am sad, right? There are tears in my eyes, right? Talking to you right now. It is bad. It is not acceptable at all. So, few weeks ago or month ago, I came to my Facebook page and sent messages to my followers and my friends. I also sent messages to my clients that I work with, that I work for, to help. And they've donated money. And at the moment, we have about 15,000 Ghana cedis. That's old 150 million. Now, we are going to use this money to construct the borehole for these people, right? I am very grateful. I am thankful for everybody that donated, right? Now, I have loads of videos that look like this. I have loads of messages that look like this, lots of pictures that look like this, and they all need help. So please, we are going to dig this one. 2 months later, please, I'll come back to you. Please, I'll come back to you and beg you, and then for another donation, please. And don't say I'm worrying you. Please, I really need your help to help as much villages as I can, because most of the villages are like this, right? And I hope that together with your help, we will be able to dig boreholes and clean water source for all these villages. Right? Here new color. Here new nanu. Aka new no woni. Juku mengele jong anu you know. Naka ko ya school. When you nanu jiro nyime. Ni here ni no wo you die meno. Because hene wa ngege je don pio no. E sene ni ya you know nu. E sene ni ka you know ni ho. E de kai bo e de. Ne ke wa ko mo blow anya dali o men. Ababi pe han wo. Lo ochi konebe alwe kai konebe o iba ni bade I followers on Facebook, ibade I followers on Instagram, ihunweme ke inichulin I clienting ide meke ipa mpesa boam ne mechobe abachu ni funchu ne pure scan wa ngeji 150 million ji pure no 15,000 Ghana no wake je maska baka ma atwa boho no honey no me lo ipa nyepe I no pictures good go make kan kiyo no enough photo in good game kan kiyo no le ikpanyepe in 2 months time o makwale ba mba kpanyepe ni kpanyepe nye boa ne watu aboho no ke hanu fe yo no fun na nge ne mo abe boho ne wa boa yu o me no na be nyu papa no wa boa me ikpanyepe lo e no cho wa nge scan wa ke mi ma atwa ame lo pio wa nge brodo no wa nge engineer che ne ba ne eya ne ahie ne etwa ame lo ikpanyepe 2 months time on, makpale send the message, makpale make post, ni manye pe pa, ni makpale ka chua, honey. Ke wa pe kakio, wa manye ma honey nyu papa ina ma inu, ne kloma. Ye chunka, ye chum.